How to enable or disable camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. And from here, we tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Allow Apps and Features. Then we go down and tap on Camera. Tap on the Camera toggle button to disable or enable camera. Now, when we disable camera, you can see that if I go to my app library and if I look for camera, it will not be available. As well as on the home screen or in Spotlight, you will not be able to find camera. So to turn it back on, you need to go back into Settings and switch it back on. After that, give it a few moments and you'll be able to locate camera again. And there it is, camera on the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.